Hello, I'm Trent Noasad with CASEIH, and today I want to walk you through the run screen of a Precision Disc Drill 550T equipped with AFS Furrow Command downforce automation. Let's start our journey here in the center of the display. We can see these three boxes and this one box in the middle. This is our rate setting. So this is where we dial in our rate in pounds per acre or seeds per acre when running in population mode. It also allows us to have three presets stored for different rates to flip on the go or when we're changing fields. If I close out this pop-up, we can see that these three rate bars are there, or presets. Now if we go over to the right-hand side of the display here, we see this box lit up. This, if your Precision Disc Drill 550T is equipped with scales, will be where we can view our weights and zero it out. It also provides us some acres to empty calculation to help you better manage your seeding operation and your tendering. Continuing, we see this box here. This will display our fan pressure, the pressure that we're running our fan at to deliver our product. Further down here, we have our speed indicator. This is going to tell us how fast the drill thinks it's going. We have a couple different speed sources to choose from. Default is set to tractor ISO speed. We can also have it set to VT ISO speed. Continuing down the screen, we have another indicator. This allows us to flip our blockage view from a section on to looking at each individual run blockage indicator, so that it allows us to better tail it if we do have a plug, which run we're plugged at. Moving over here, we do have our auto manual button for our sectional control. When we're running in automatic mode sectional control, if we have a spot that we want to, for some reason, overseed, or some reason it wasn't seeded in the first pass over it, we can click the manual button and the unit will over-apply in that area. On the very left-hand corner here, we have our button for indicating our work switch status. If we press on that, we bring up a pop-up. This is where we can view the system voltage as well as turn on or turn off the work switch for whatever reason. As you can see right now, the work switch is in a grayed state. This means that our drill's out of the ground, which in fact our drill is not in the work state right now. As we move farther up the display, we can see some of the new boxes that AFS Furrow Command adds to this interface. The first one we're going to look at here, or the one we're going to look at, is this. Currently, this drill is set in cab down pressure mode. It is AFS Furrow Command equipped. So one thing to keep in note is that for any reason or for user preference, an AFS Furrow Command equipped drill can operate in standard down pressure mode. As you can see right now, we're set at 600 psi of down pressure. And remember, this system is set in the traditional in-cab down pressure mode. If I close that out, we can see that that's indicated by the M there. For more information, please contact your dealership or review the operator's manual provided with the product you purchased.